What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I'm going to be talking here about the Gemmy inflatable turkey. Now, just a couple of weeks ago, so this thing will definitely get used in a couple of weeks, I know. Because one thing is I would like this because you can see, it's the how much I expected this thing that is it will get used this year for 2025 fall thing display this here. This is released in 2022, so this thing came out like 2-3 years ago. You can see because. You see, but this is that we used it in a couple of weeks ago, you see, and you know it's something that this thing will definitely be used in a couple of weeks, because I know since how much I expected this thing that you can see, because I expected this thing, which is I think looks pretty nice, man, but here's the thing, I was like, I do kind of like this thing a lot, because you see how I expect this thing, so this thing will definitely get used during the season, during a couple of weeks, and I know, because how I expected this thing, which definitely looks, I pretty much expected this thing, which definitely looks pretty nice. My opinion was just definitely I was expected this thing will get used again this year for 2025 because we did have to place the LED on this one last year because the original LED, which is burnt, well, it was not burnt out, it was just dim a little bit because you didn't know how I expected this thing, which even though this thing's definitely going to get used during the season this year because it definitely looks pretty much what I expected this thing to just definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. And even though this inflatable turkey don't use exactly, I mean I do kind of like this thing a lot, but just seeing what I expected this thing which is definitely looks pretty nice, my opinion. So you really know how I expected this thing that easy to get used in the season this year. I'm pretty sure this thing will definitely get used again this year because you know I expected this thing that you just which definitely looks pretty nice, my opinion. So you definitely how much expected this thing will get used this year because it's one of those things over here basically it's like any since I'm using flavor this hook to dreaming flavor turkey. This is definitely looks pretty nice and it'll be used again this year.